John Elliott, would you like to highlight a specific initiative that you all are working on there?
Yeah, I think one of the things we've seen is that both the industry and the frontier AI companies are going to be and plan to be the leader in the development of generative AI and these new capabilities, and also that industry itself is quickly adopting these technologies, and there's a lot that the DoD can learn from that. So in many cases with the AI rapid capability, so our goal is to take and lift and shift, the great ideas of how industry is already applying use of generative AI into our workflows. Because the DoD, in addition to our warfighting functions, is also like the largest healthcare provider, some of the largest financial systems and HR systems, like my previous speaker talked about. And so our goal is to help do rapid pilots around both those, use cases that industry has already leveraged, and then we're trying to scale over to our systems as well as also on the warfighting side. So covering those with two quick examples on the industry side, to the point earlier on financial data and audit is both a large priority as well as also an area that is rapidly being adopted with generative AI in the financial sector. So we are looking at projects like given the large number of transactions that the DoD has with financial data, how can we help use generative AI to reconcile transactions and recommend and root cause, mistransactions to help identify issues in our financial system and also get us ready for audit. And then similarly, goal is to support our warfighters and how does generative AI and frontier AI technologies improve our workflows and performance, looking at examples across our COCOMs where you have analysts and warfighters consuming multimodal data inputs where they'll get audio input in, visual input, raw sensor data in, and how can we then use generative AI to help synthesize that data and provide, even if it's as basic as root summarization of, all the possible data sources that just came in that they normally have to click through multiple screens into just high level summaries of that so that they can then triage better and then go right to the most critical piece of data they need to help inform a commander's decision.